There they go, twirling around the daily planet. Hi, welcome to the Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul. I have been collecting Windup toys for over 30 years. I have over 1,000 Windup toys in my collection, and I want to share with you the joy, the smiles, and the laughter that I get from these toys. Today we're doing something a little different. The toys I'm featuring are from the Everlast Toy Company, and they're actually mechanical banks that have windups on them. And I'm very excited to show you how they work. And after the banks, I have a couple of what I call Twirly Toys, and we will see those after. I'm going to start with the Sea Robbers ship. And you can see there is so much detail on here. And they've got their treasure, they've got a bag of treasure, pearls, coins. And what's really cool about this is the wind-up part is up here. And here is where you put the coin, and you'll see what happens. So I'm going to wind it up first. Okay, it is supposed to go in and out. Unfortunately, he's a little tired. It only comes out, but you get the idea. The next one is really cool. This is the Puppy Garden, and it's got Dalmatian puppies. It's got the dog house, the palm trees, the fence. It's got it all. The wind-up mechanism is on the side. You'll see this little puppy right here reach out for that coin. And he pushes it in the bank, and I'm going to do that one more time. And keep an eye on the little guy here because he also turns. I love these. The next one is the Beauty in the Bath Savings Bank. This particular one has been overwound, so it doesn't work any longer. I have one coming in that does work. I will show that to you in an upcoming video. What's really cool is this lifts up and her leg comes out and takes the coin. This is very unique. It's a Schylling toy from 2001. It is the Daily Planet, Superman, Krypto, the Super Dog, Supergirl, and Streaky, the Super Cat. They're all in their capes. This is actually called the Superman Classic Carousel. The wind-up mechanism is on here, and it goes back and forth. There they go, twirling around the Daily Planet. Next on the agenda is a 1950s metal Carnival toy, very similar to the Superman Carousel. This one's a little bit older, but you could see all the details at the amusement park, the people in the cars. This one, I'm going to warn you, makes a little bit of a startling noise when it comes back, so here we go. Thank you so much for joining me here today at the Windup Project. I hope you enjoyed these very unique tin toys and banks. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel and keep smiling. Thank you, Ryan.